Hello guys, welcome back to Filament tutorial. Today we will see how to change the navigation icon in Filament panel. So let's come to the documentation. Click on panel builder and here you will see the navigation option here. Click on that. You can see they have given the documentation about how to customize navigation item label and how to customize navigation items icon. So every page or resource have one property which is navigation icon. So from here we can change the navigation icon. So come to the VS Code and open the resource file of any. So first of all let's open user resource. So that will change the user icon here. So in user resource you can see here we have one property navigation icon. We will simply change the icon class here, hero icon dash o dash users, and that will change the icon in the filament panel. In case of you want more icons, you can go to the heroicons.com. From here you can search any icon. We need setting icon, so let's search for setting and change the icon of the setting page. So let's open the setting page here in the pages directory. In here they have given this. So here the icon name is cog-6-truth. So we have to add it here. We need to give prefix hero icon dash o is mandatory, so keep in mind that. So that will change the setting icon. Let's do for the blog also. Let's take document icon. Let's take this clipboard document list and we will go to the blog resource. In here we will change the icon here, keep the prefix as it is hero icon dash o, and let's see in the admin panel that will change the blogs icon. So this is about how to change the icon inside bar navigation. So thanks for watching my video. If you getting values from it, please subscribe. Bye.